Received this from a company called FAMISYM, and it is a Pixie Pro. That's what they call it. So let's see what's inside the box. Looks pretty cool to me. My daughter's gonna love it. You have your Type-C charger there. You're gonna plug this in with it. Got some instructions. This app, okay, that's cool. All right, there's not much more to it. Let's go ahead and plug this in and check it out. There it is, folks. At nighttime, tells you the time, 11:55, and it tells you the temperature, 69 degrees Fahrenheit. Nice comfortable temperature for the household. Let's change some things on here. So looks like you have, okay, green, blue, yellow, purple, rainbow colors. Ooh, look at that. I don't know if someone's gonna sleep with that on. But if you're partying, 11:56, gonna go down for a midnight snack, this is a good light to have on. What else can we do with this? Turn it off, turn it on. Volume, so that means I could, oh, white noise, okay. So there it is. I'm going to change some of the settings here. There's several white noises you could choose from water to white noise to crickets to all kinds of relaxing, putting you to sleep noises. This one's really nice. And in fact, I am getting kind of sleepy. First midnight snack. I'll see you guys later. See the link in the description if you're interested in this. This thing is nice, good size, lights up the room here, and I'm a happy camper. This is my second product from them, and still kicking butt. See you guys later. Bye-bye.